Well, hello there. Today we're going to do a little rearranging. I'm going to got a room that was built out back to house the air compressor and some odds and ends and whatnot. It's plumbed in and wired, ready to go. I just had needed the help to move this top heavy thing. So while I got the help, we're going to move that air compressor back there.
All right, Jackson, go above that limb I told you. Yeah, just grab the end of it. There you go. Stick it over. There you go. Now reach through the limb there and pull it down. There you go, pull it down.
Not so much. There it went. Ah, I about missed it. Yeah.
Let's turn over. You guys ready? You okay? You okay? Yep.
Yeah, got her wired in, plumbed in, and it is ready to go in my little room on that pallet. So yeah, got it squared away. So we have got, I don't have them all, there it is. So what we done, we moved our air compressor out where it belongs. The next winter we're gonna take that flue, put a wood heater right here, and we're gonna go about our rat killing. See, cut this thing off right here. Got a dryer built in. Then at the fuse box, I'll just turn the power off there. Let's see if we can't, I'll tell you what, let's just see how much racket this thing makes. Air compressor. Can you hear that? It's running. And get over here. And we'll turn this thing. Now we got the air running to everything in here. So you wouldn't even notice it now. But the biggest thing is getting more room in here. Gonna redo my wood rack. See my wood, gonna redo that, get it squared away. Get my metal at yonder, different stuff. Open this thing up in here for my wood stove next winter. Because between the kerosene and the electric heaters, it was expensive. Besides, I'd rather have wood heat anyway. I think that's gonna be a big improvement, getting that air compressor back there where it should be all along. The reason why I got one that big, if y'all been watching the channel, the vacuum chuck on my lathe, to where you flip a bowl around and finish it off on the bottom, that one's big enough to keep up. It takes a lot of air to run a Ventura at the vacuum chuck. And that's how I come up with it. It was on sale. You gotta get them on sale. But anyway, that's going to be a big help. I got a few of the things I got to do for next winter to get that wood stove in here, get that ceiling fixed where them family of coons fell through, get all that insulation back up in there like it should be, and get my wood stove hooked up and get it tested out. And next winter, between the kerosene and the heat, it should be much cheaper, and I got the wood on the place. I got enough wood to go 2 years already cut. So, well, maybe not 2 years, but right at it. So that's going to do me now on this one. I appreciate y'all joining in, but what I want to do is give a special thanks to my son-in-law and my 2 grandsons. My wife, she worked the camera when we was outside, thanks to her. But I've been, got called back to work. Where I work, they were good to me, and they had some issues, needed some training. So I've been called back. I got this week off. So it makes it kind of tough doing the YouTube and that too. So just have to play it as it comes. And, I know I got to go back for a few more weeks. Trying to get a guy trained up to, it's really a long story. We're just going to leave it at that. But kind of does feel good that they kind of need you, in a way, but kind of hurts me YouTube. We kind of got it going, doing good. I mean, it's going like I wanted. I mean, it's spring and the falls when I like to get outside and do things, clean up the fence rows and just kind of straighten the place up. Got some apple trees they just reached the end of their life. Some of them has failed. I need to cut the rest of them down before they do fall. Because if you're standing under it could be a bad day. So there's stuff like that. There's stuff that needs to be done. Got some tractor work to do. And this and that. Of course, that tree that we just downed, I need to get it cut up. It's always something to do. But I do appreciate you hanging in there with me. If your shop is like mine, it's as your needs evolve, your shop needs to evolve. But that air compressor, it needed to been back there a long time ago. And we just put it off. They got this going on, and we finally got everything to work out. We just sat down, all right, this date right here, we're going to do it. And that's what we did. Should have done that a long time ago. But it is what it is. So it's like I always say, be safe. If it cuts wood, it can cut you. So be safe, and I'll catch you on the next one.